Hello, you are welcome to a special topic in organic poultry farming. Are you ready to go into organic poultry farming? This plant is one of the most important plants you need to know and you need to use in organic poultry farming. This plant is called Ficus Capensis. I want you to identify this plant because I have made this video some time ago. Many of our fans said they can't identify the plant. So that's why I brought this particular video so that you know more. This is an update on this particular plant. It is called Ficus Capensis. In this particular video, we are treating Ficus Capensis in poultry feed. Shocking benefits of growth, immunity, and disease control in poultry and livestock. Watch the plants for proper identification. I will give you all the local names in Nigeria and African countries and the botanical name of this particular plant. So I want you to identify the plant very well so that you will not have any issue in the identification, because if you can't identify it, there's no way you can make use of it. Watch the plant very well. Take your time and study this plant. Some said in the last video that I was checking the plant, but here the plant is stable for you to watch. Ficus Capensis. Are you still spending too much in synthetic drugs and feed additives? Discover the hidden power of Ficus Capensis, a natural miracle tree with proven benefit for poultry and livestock health. This is a wonderful plant for poultry growth and immunity. In this video, we are going to expose the shocking secret behind this African wonder plant, and I will show you how to use it to reduce costs and boost your poultry productivity naturally. Try and identify the plant. That's why I'm still keeping it. I'm still holding it for you to identify it. For those of you that said they can't identify the plant, but I will give you all the names in your locality so that you can use the name. Ask the elders in your area. They will tell you. They will show you this plant. Botanical and local names of Ficus Capensis. One, the botanical name is ficussur. That's the botanical name. The English name is cap fig, bush fig, African fig tree, white fig tree. All these are different names, all the common names in English. Cape fig, bush fig, African fig tree, white fig tree. Then it has a lot of local names because this is a very important plant, both in Africa and in Nigeria. So many tribes know this plant because they make use of it. It's also help human medication. It takes a lot of health issues. It treats a lot of health issues in human being. You can see it. Take your time and study this plant. You see it. In Igbo, it is called aporo or ulu. In Yoruba, it is called opon efa or oro. Hausa, it is called gamji. In Efik or Ibibio, it is called Nyim. In TV language, it is called Ba. Idoma call it Ugochi. Urobo and Isoko call it Oba. Nupe call it Kadunga. Kanuri call it Kafama. Fulani call it Guado. In African countries, Ghana call it Doma. Kenya call it Mugumo. South Africa call it Ukiwana. Ethiopia call it Waka. Cameroon call it Lukang. Uganda call it Mugumo also. All these African countries I mentioned, depending on their own language. In Ghana, Akan in Ghana, Kukuyu in Kenya, Zulu in South Africa, Amharic in Ethiopia, Bamileke in Cameroon, and Luganda in Uganda call it Mugumo. So if you are from all these African countries, please tell us what you call this particular plant in your own country and in your own dialect. This is the plant here. I'm going to show you the tree. You see the video, you are going to see the tree on the video. But here right away, I'll give you everything you need to know about this particular plant, how you're going to make use of it, both for your feathered birds and four-legged animals. It is a wonderful plant. Please permit me to drop this plant so that we can treat the main issue. You have been able to identify it. See it. You have been able to identify it. Please tell me what you call this plant in your own locality. Let me drop it, please. 12 benefits and uses of Ficus Capensis in poultry and livestock farming. 1. It boosts growth rate. The natural protein and vitamins in this plant enhance broilers and cockerel weight gain. Strengthens immunity. It is rich in antioxidants and bioflavonoid for immune support and immune boosting. It controls diarrhea. Its antimicrobial properties manage bacteria and protozoa infections. It enhances egg production. It improves laying frequency and egg size in layers and at the same time eggshell quality. It increases vitality. Supports reproductive health in breeding stock, most especially those of you into hatching of day-old chicks. Detoxifies the system. It cleanses internal organs, especially the liver and the gut. It improves digestion. High fiber content aids gut movement and nutrient absorption in poultry and livestock. Manages respiratory issues and diseases. It helps reduce cough and nasal discharge in birds. Reduces mortality rate. It strengthens resistance in infections and stress level in poultry and livestock animals. Wound healing. The latest accelerates tissue repairs and healing in injured birds. Cost-effective feed additives. It reduces dependence on commercial supplements and additives. Naturaldewormer. It is effective against internal parasites and worms in poultry and livestock. What health conditions it can cure or manage in poultry? 1. Newcastle disease. It serves as supportive therapy or treatment for Newcastle. It can treat coccidiosis, chronic respiratory disease, CROD. Fowl cholera, it serves as supportive therapy also. Green droppings, diarrhea, it treats it. And egg drop syndrome, supports egg drop syndrome and stunted growth. It cures stunted growth. Your birds will grow faster. Worm infestations, roundworm and tapeworm in poultry and livestock, it takes care of them. Loss of appetite, takes care of loss of appetite. Bacterial infections like E. coli and Salmonella. Fatty liver syndrome, this is mostly the infection in laying birds and broilers. Eye infections and conjunctivitis, that is most of the what do you call it, infectious coryza and some of the eye problems where they have running eyes, running water. How to prepare and administer Ficus Capensis. 1, you can see the plant. This plant is hardy in nature. It is strong in nature. You can hear the sound. It is hardy in nature. I plucked this plant yesterday. It's getting dried inside the room. It can dry quickly inside the room. You can see some of these ones are already started drying. You can see it. So the leaves are started drying. It's a wonderful plant. Don't overlook this plant. Don't just underrate it. It's a powerful plant for organic poultry farming. 1, pluck the leaf as you have seen this particular one now. This is a handful of it. Wash it thoroughly. You can blend it. If you have blender, pluck them like vegetable and put them inside blender. Add little water and blend it thoroughly. After blending it, add 1 liter of water and sieve the water. Leave the extract and keep the water aside. Now, another way is, as it is, dry it inside your room, inside the room, with room temperature, please, not under the sun, please, under the shade. Then grind the powder, store in airtight container so that it will not get infected. Another one is, as it is like this, pluck the leaf and put inside a very clean pot. Add 5 to 10 liters of water and boil it up to 30 minutes. Let it cool. Extract the water and throw away, discard the leaves itself. The water is what you're going to make use of. Now, what are the dosage for all stages of poultry? Chicks, 0 to 3 weeks. 10 ml juice extract per liter of drinking water 3 times weekly. Now, if you know what this is strange, from here to here is 10 ml juice extract per liter of drinking water. What it means is that 10 ml, this is 10 ml. You can look at this. You can see this is 10 ml syringe. I don't know whether you have seen it. This is 10 ml syringe. Hope you are seeing it. You can see this is 10 ml syringe here. This is 10 ml. Now, what it means is that for that extract, draw 10 ml. When you draw it, you're going to see it. This is full. When it is here, this is 10 ml here. Draw it and inject it into the water, a liter of water, 10 ml extract per liter of water. Now you do this 3 times every week. Maybe you do it on Monday, you do it on Wednesday, you do it on Friday. Give it to them and see the kind of results you're going to get. Now for growers, that is 4 weeks to 8 weeks old, whether broiler or laying birds, that is during the growing stage, 15 ml, that's 1.5 of these per liter of drinking water. Or one, if it is the powder one, use 1 teaspoon leaf powder per kg of feed 3 to 5 times in a week. Then laying bird or breeder stock, 20 ml, that's 2 of these per liter of drinking water. Don't worry, I'm going to boil this. I will show you the water if possible. If I don't show you, ask me on the comment section. I'm going to boil this now. Then for broiler, that is grown up broiler, 5 to 8 weeks, 20 ml to 30 ml juice extract per liter of water daily for you to get maximum performance, to boost the immunity and to boost their growth and weight. Or you add 2 tablespoons of powdered leaf for every 5 kg of feed. Mix it with the feed and give it to them. You're going to get amazing results. If this particular video interests you, please give it a thumb up right away. And make sure at the end of this video, share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Ficus Capensis is not just another tree. It is a powerful, cost-effective, and 100% organic tool that every poultry and livestock farmer should be using today. Whether you are battling with diseases, trying to reduce costs, or looking for a way to increase your productivity, naturally, this particular tree, Ulu or Gamji, offers nature's best solution. Start using Ficus Capensis in your poultry and see amazing results in growth, health, and profit. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. And let me tell you one thing. This Ficus Capensis is one of the plants that is used for this eco bio booster. This is a powerful and super organic solution for growing your poultry and livestock animals without stress, with ease. No synthetic medications, no running from vet to vet, from house to house, looking for, no sighing, no gnashing of teeth, no crying in the night how your birds are dying one after the other. All these ones are ruled out with this. Or you want to increase the vitality in your feed, this is our feed booster. You can see it. See it here. This is in powder form. You use it to mix the commercial feed to add more nutrients, more protein, more vitamin, more fat, and more energy into your commercial feed. Make it richer so that your birds will get amazing results within a short period of time. This is only 15,000. This is 1,000 grams. You can see it's very big. 1,000 grams is 15,000. Eco Bio Booster, this liquid one is 55,000 naira, but you pay for your way bill by yourself to your state. Then we give it to drivers. They will bring it to your park within your city. You go and pick it from them. We have been doing it. It's going to different countries. This is the 3 liter. This 3 liter is for those within the environment here. If you are far place, we don't send these 3 liters to you because the cost of sending 5 liter is the same cost of sending 3 liters. This is 3 liter. This 3 liter goes for 35,000 naira. This is for people within who can come and pick it on their own. We don't send 3 liters to far distance. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. And once you subscribe, activate the bell notification so that ring that bell so that anytime we release any video on this channel, you get notified by this our wonderful app. And make sure you join us in our channel community. Choose any of the perks and become our friends, become our partner, and we'll also help you to grow your poultry and livestock business, make profit, and at the same time retain in the business. We give you all the necessary attentions you deserve as our channel member. You are now out of being subscriber. You are now a member. You are now part and parcel of us. Thank you for watching this video. Let the video reach more poultry farmers. Share it to your platform, share it to your groups, and wait for the next topic loading. That is blood leaf in poultry farming. You're going to see another amazing plant. It's loading in the next channel. Please make sure you subscribe to that channel. Either the Poultry Side TV or Dr. Leo Charles Mwogu. Any of these channels are us, our own channel. The next leaf is going there. That is blood leaf in poultry farming. This is a wonderful leaf that every poultry farmer needs to know. It helps human beings, it helps animals. So it is a general plant. Thank you, the plant here. Tell me what you think about this particular plant. Do you need this plant? Do you have it in your region? If you have it, please, what name do you call it in your region? Please let us share this in the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. What name do you call this in your locality, in your region? And what language is your language? Where are you watching the video from? Do you have this plant in your area? Please let us know. Don't fail to tell us about this plant. We are helping each other to know more about this plant. What do you call it in your region? Do you know about this plant before now, and do you use it? It is also good for human beings and for livestock animals like goat, sheep, cattle, and others. Goat can eat this directly live without any further processing. You can give it to your sheep, you can give it to your cattle. Human beings can also take it. Do you want to know the medicinal effect in human? What you can use it to cure as a human being? Let me know on the comment section. I will also give you more guide. Drop the comments on the comment section also. Let's follow it from there. Identify the plant and tell me what you call it in your village or your locality. Where are you watching from? What is your tribe, and what do you call this plant? Do you want to know what it is used in human being? What disease or what infection or what health issue can take it can cure a human being? Let me know on the comment section also. Drop your comments. Let's go there. Bye for now. I love you all.